In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OneDrive when it's not syncing, all in under 5 minutes. Now, OneDrive is a fantastic tool for keeping all your files in sync across devices, but sometimes things can go awry, causing it to stop syncing. But don't worry, getting it back on track is a relatively easy process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's begin by locating the OneDrive icon in your taskbar. It's usually found at the bottom right corner of your screen, resembling a small cloud. Clicking on this icon opens up a series of options and is your gateway to accessing OneDrive settings. Once you've clicked on the icon, you'll see a small window pop up. From here, what you want to do next is click on Settings. This will open another window with several tabs, each brimming with various options. For our purposes today, you'll want to stick with the default view you're given, but take note that there are other settings you might find useful later on. Now, the next action you need to take is navigating to the Account tab within the Settings window. This tab specifically handles all your account related information and actions, allowing you to manage how your OneDrive account functions on your PC. Once you're on the Account tab, it's time to click on Unlink this PC. This action might sound a bit drastic, but it essentially disconnects your computer from your OneDrive account, clearing any existing errors that might be causing the sync issue. Don't worry, you'll be able to reconnect it in just a moment. A confirmation prompt will appear after you click Unlink this PC, just to make sure this is really what you want to do. Go ahead and confirm the unlinking of your account. After that, we're back to the OneDrive icon in your taskbar. Click it again and head into Settings another time. This go around, we're going to initiate a clean exit by selecting Quit OneDrive. This exit fully shuts down the OneDrive application, so it's no longer running in the background, ensuring that when you restart it, everything is fresh and ready to go. Finally, after you've unlinked the account and exited OneDrive, it's time to sign back in. Open up OneDrive again from your Start menu or taskbar. Once the application loads, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft credentials. Enter your details and OneDrive will relink to your account, hopefully this time with everything syncing smoothly. And there you have it. That's how to address OneDrive not syncing issues. This quick process often resolves any underlying problems and ensures your documents and files remain up to date across devices. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and troubleshooting guides.